Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabrielle Nicole, for y'all that don't know me. And today I'm going to be doing my July unboxing. It's so weird that it's July already, but my box of charm, July. Here it is. I have not opened it yet. I don't know what is in here. I've been not really paying attention to spoilers this month, but here we go. We gonna get started. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I first opened my box. I got my little card, and we got some coupons on the back for Wander Beauty 20% off and Pharmacy 20% off right there for you. And then the theme this month is road tripping. And then we've got our Boxy Babes of the month right there. And then inside is a list of our products and their prices, which I will look at as we go. So, the first thing that we have in here is the Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist by Tarte. So that's what that looks like, and that retails for $25. And it is supposed to give your skin a glow. It deserves with this antioxidant-packed cucumber fruit and plant extract skin tonic. This non-sticky mist delivers a radiant, dewy finish for lit from within luminosity. Refresh dull, tired, or sluggish feeling skin throughout the day, or use after your skincare routine to balance, tone, and boost your complexion. Okay, so I probably will not use this as a setting spray because I get oily, and the last thing that I really need is to continue to use something that will make me look dewy. So, but since I'm glad that this has like another use, because I will probably use this before I go to bed. I use rose water before I put on my makeup, so I'll probably use this before I go to sleep to help with my skin after I wash my face and everything. So I'm pretty excited about this one. I love when we get anything Tarte because Tarte is a high-end brand, and you know, it's just nice to get that because this itself is worth more than my box. But I'm excited to try this, and I hope that it goes good. So the next thing that we see in here is this is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher by Note Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Desert Rose. I have heard about the brand Note, but I honestly don't own anything from them, but I think this is a new brand for BoxyCharm. Okay, first off, this color is gorgeous. This is gonna look really nice on me because I'm very fair toned, so I really like this. I think that's really cute. And then it also has a little brush. Girl, what are we gonna use this brush for? For blush? I'm never gonna use that. I promise you that. I will never use that. But it's a nice little touch. It'd be good to go in your purse or whatever. And let me see. This retails for $11.99. And it says, designed to work for all skin types, this luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. Definitely good for on the go. I'm excited to try this. This color is gorgeous, and I will probably be using this tomorrow. Alright, and then the next thing that I see in here, this is by the brand Cella. It is a tantalizing taupe eyebrow cream. That's what that is. Okay. Oh! That's cool. Okay, so this is like a little brush, and I'm guessing that in here is like a little pomade or something. It is. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? That is so cute. Okay, so yes, the bottom part is like a pomade, and then the top part is a brush. Personally, this brush is a little bit too thick for what I would do on my eyebrows. But it's a really cute concept, and I feel like this would be really nice to stick in my purse, or if you were traveling like on vacation or something like. And this retails for $26. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you the perfect eyebrows that will last all day and night. We will try this because I'm really excited about this. I think this is super cute. The next thing that I see in here is by Wander Beauty. This is called Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This does not look like a mascara. This looks like a lipstick, but this is really neat. So this wand is definitely shaped a little differently, but I feel like that'll do a really good job with lifting. It doesn't really smell like anything, so that's good. Some mascara stinks, so I just have to try. Okay, and then this says, this is $24, and this award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unlash Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. I like this. I need to see the mascara anyway. Hopefully I like this one as much as I like my Tarte Tardies. And one more thing here. This is the Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel by Dr. Brandt. Thank you, Jesus, because Lord knows I have bags and I would love to get rid of them. So this is cool. I always like Dr. Brandt products. They aren't cruelty free, so I don't buy them because I feel bad buying them, but if I get them in my BoxyCharm, then I don't feel so bad. So this one is $42. Say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biometric technology, peptides, and botanical extracts, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. Okay, so I'm pretty excited about this. I can't wait to try it. I'm gonna smell it because if you've had BoxyCharm for a while, you know that we got like this mask out that one day. It smelled pretty weird. So okay, it does smell kind of like chemically. I don't know. It has like a strong chemical smell to it. We will see how it works. I'm excited to try it. I definitely, girl, I need some depuffing gel, so hopefully this works out well. And that is it. That is what I got in my BoxyCharm this month. Okay, so my total box value this month was $128.99. I am not disappointed in this one. This was not like the best box ever, but it's definitely not the worst either. Like, I really like that we've got a couple new brands in here that we've never had before from BoxyCharm, so that's really cool that they're expanding like their brands. Like, I really appreciate that. I really like that. Yeah, I'm just excited. There's not like a whole lot of like makeup. We just got the mascara and the blush. But I'm excited to have skincare because I really like skincare, and good makeup starts with good skincare. So I'm excited to have some stuff that I can try out and hopefully will love. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.